Hi everyone, this is Shishin. If you've been studying Korean but feeling stuck and frustrated and losing motivation, you're not alone. That's why I created the AKCC, Advanced Korean Conversation Challenge. It's the challenge you don't study alone. You join a small, supportive community of learners from all over the world. Together we practice step by step and little by little, your Korean gets stronger every single day. So here's what you get. 20 exercise every month. That's about 240 in a year and over 1,000 real live Korean sentences you will practice and master. Daily check-ins and feedback so you stay consistent. Here's example. So if you go to community tab, AKCC, there's my lecture every day, 5 times a week, right? And then they're learning from me every day. Right? And then you have a time to study and record your voice and post it in our comment section. And then I listen to every single one of your recordings. And then I give you compliment or voice feedback. Sometimes you're doing really good and then I'm giving you all the very good job. But sometimes I give them the voice feedbacks. For example, oh, you pronounced this one in the wrong way, but this is actually the right way to say it.
유키 씨, 덮밥 주스에 구멍이 났어요.
And then I give you sometimes text feedback or voice feedback.
Okay, Catherine, you said 살충가, 살추가를, but it's 살충제.
살충제. She talks something about the pesticides here. 살충거, but it's actually 살충제. 살충제. So I'm giving the specific feedback she needs, and she gets better every day. So this is AKCC, and you're not alone in this group. And check this out. It's http skool.com/shichinopa. Okay. So I hope to see you in this group and study with joy. Study together with joy. Thank you. Bye.